We used to think we knew what cult victims look like, but what if I told you that the primary target for cults isn't desperate people, but the intellectual elite? Why smart people join cults. This exact paradox is what terrifies people the most. While you sit there confident in your critical thinking, recruiters are actively hunting for your vulnerabilities. And in this video, we will examine exactly how this happens. Meet Masami Tsuchiya, a brilliant young organic chemist with a master's degree from Tsukuba University, one of Japan's most prestigious schools. Instead of a stellar scientific career, he joined the totalist cult Aum Shinrikyo. Masami gave all his money to the leader, locked himself in an underground lab, and personally synthesized sarin gas. In 1995, the cult used it to attack the Tokyo subway, killing 13 people and injuring thousands. This top scientist genuinely believed he was performing a sacred cleansing, and during his trial, he cried while defending his half-blind guru. Think you are too smart, skeptical, or educated to ever fall for a cult? Data shows that people with university degrees are actually much more likely to become cult victims than those without them. Cults hunt for idealists, straight-A students, and intellectuals. Leaders are professional psychological hackers who break human consciousness using 5 real, scientifically proven tactics. Tactic 1. Love bombing. It starts with absolute, unnatural adoration. Newcomers are wrapped in constant praise, hugs, and intense flattery. In our stressful reality, we rarely get this unconditional acceptance, so your critical guard drops instantly. Your brain makes a flawed evolutionary conclusion. I am safe here. These are my people. Tactic 2. Sleep deprivation. To stop you from analyzing facts, they physically exhaust your brain. Cults force hours-long night vigils, endless meditations, and extreme diets, cutting sleep to 3 to 4 hours. Chronic sleep deprivation paralyzes the prefrontal cortex. You physically lose the energy to argue, verify logic, or spot a lie. Tactic 3. Social isolation. Next, they cut off anyone who can snap you back to reality. If your family or friends try to warn you, their voices can't reach you. The cult becomes your only source of truth, and the leader completely redefines what is normal. Tactic 4. Loaded language. They instantly enforce a weird internal jargon, strange terms, acronyms, and code words. Psychiatrists call this loaded language. It tricks you into feeling like an elite holding secret knowledge, but its real job is to block thinking. Tactic 5. The external enemy. The final padlock is a total fear of leaving. Leaders paint the outside world as pure evil, claiming, if you leave us, you will go crazy, get cancer, or die. So you stay, even when they take your money or force you to commit crimes. Here's the data from massive studies. According to the American Psychological Association, roughly 5,000 hidden cult groups operate in North America alone, involving over 2 million people. Empirical data shows the most vulnerable window is ages 18 to 23. Look at these 3 insane cases. Heaven's Gate. A leader convinced his followers, including high-level programmers and web designers, that a spaceship was hiding behind the Hale-Bopp comet. In 1997, 39 people dressed in matching black tracksuits and brand-new Nike sneakers committed mass suicide by choice, calmly covering their heads with plastic bags to leave their earthly containers. The Sullivanians. Operating openly in elite New York City, this cult of successful artists and doctors believed the traditional family caused all mental illness. Members were banned from permanent partners. Babies were immediately taken away from mothers, and parents only saw their kids for 20 minutes a week while paying massive fees to the leaders. People's Temple. In 1978, deep in the Guyana jungle, over 900 people, including hundreds of children, lined up on the orders of Jim Jones to drink lethal cyanide mixed into a kid's grape drink called Flavor Aid. Anyone who hesitated was held at gunpoint by armed guards whose minds were completely broken. This whole industry relies strictly on control and a precise understanding of our biological vulnerabilities. If right now someone new is smothering you in a landslide of affection, making you stay awake for days, and demanding you cut off your family for some grand mission, kick your self-preservation into high gear. You are being hacked right now. Turn around and get out. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos, and let me know in the comments which of these manipulation tricks freaked you out the most. See you next time.